Page 125. This is the improvising, composing, whatever you want to call it, thing at the bottom of the page. They're giving us a chord sequence and we fill in the blanks. Well, they're giving us a time signature and a key signature. We fill in the blanks. We need the key signature here because they're not giving us chord names. They're giving us numbers, and numbers are related to key signature. So I'm guessing this is in the key of E flat major, since starting a one, we want to start with a one chord, and the key signature is either E flat major or C minor. I'm guessing we're in E flat major since it's a capital I, not a little I, because if it were a minor, they would use a lowercase Roman numeral. So here it's E flat major. So the one chord, and because I got to make up the melody is going to use primarily the notes in the chord, although it can use others. We're going to play it both hands here. So we got the one chord, and then we got a four chord, which is a 6/4 position, which is the way we normally do it. The 1, the 4, 5, 7, 1. Okay, that's all we're doing is that. And then the 5 of the 6th chord. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the 6th chord. I want a 5, 7 of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, it's got to be a major. So that's it. And now I'm going to put this here, and that resolves to the 6th chord, which is that. 7, 5, 7, 1. So I was down here, then I want that. I'd come up here or down here, whichever. I don't know if I'm on it, which way I'm going to go. So I'm on a 1. I could go up here if I wanted. Yeah. I better come down here. So a 1, a 5, and here. And then the 2 chord is this, but they want C on the bottom. And the 5, 7, and then the 1. Now once I get the chords figured out, I just need notes that are primarily in those chords. The melody can be anything you want. Just you can use connecting notes, neighbor notes, or whatever, but stay primarily within the notes in the chord. And it doesn't have to be the same inversion, of course. In the melody, there's no inversion. You're just playing notes. So here, this could be here. I changed chords. I'm using the A flat, but it's a connecting note. You get the idea, I hope. Just make up your own melody. I don't enjoy this very much. But some people love it. They'll spend hours on it, and that's great because you get to know the chords really well when you do that, the inversions and so forth. And you get to hearing it, and you get to improvising and making up your own stuff.